Hey guys, are you worried about your iPhone battery turning yellow? Well, you don't need to. It's because your iPhone has turned on low power mode. It activates itself when your battery percentage goes below 10%. After you charge your iPhone or iPad to 80% or higher, low power mode automatically turns off. You can also do it manually and turn it off with a simple toggle in settings or from your control center if it's added there. To turn low power mode on or off, go to settings, battery, and tap on low power mode. You can also turn low power mode on and off from control center. Just go to settings, control center, then select low power mode to add it to the control center. How does low power mode on iPhone save battery life? Well, basically low power mode disables or reduces these features. So if you're okay without them, you can make your iPhone battery last a little longer with this mode. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.